This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a third-party domain to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin and find the Domains section under Settings. Click on Connect Existing Domain and then type your domain name into the box. Shopify will guide you through verifying that you own the domain, which is a crucial first step. This ensures a smooth and secure connection for your online store. Next, you'll need to update your domains a record. Log into your domain provider's account, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and find the DNS settings. You'll need to change the record to point to Shopify's specific IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. This tells your domain where to find your Shopify store. After the record, you'll configure your CNAME record. This record should point to shops.myshopify.com. The CNAME record is essential for directing your www subdomain and any other subdomains to your Shopify store. Make sure to save all the changes you've made in your domain provider settings to ensure they take effect. Finally, it's time to verify your connection. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, so patience is key. You can check the domain status in your Shopify admin. If you encounter any problems, carefully review your and CNAME records. Don't hesitate to reach out to your domain provider or Shopify support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.